What are we making?
Slime.
All right.
We need 1/2 cup of the Elmer's white glue. Then
Okay.
we need a little bit of the magic glue, clear glue. Then 2 drops of this glue, the food coloring.
Okay, food coloring. And
Then,
then what do we do with food coloring?
Put it in the cup.
All right,
the
cool
glue.
beans. Okay, show us. Go ahead and show us.
Okay.
So we need glue, we need Elmer's magical liquid activator, and food coloring,
That's
and
all to do red first.
glitter. And Jennifer's making a rose color. Maybe we should do, yeah, 3. And then just 1 of the blue. And that makes a rose color. Perfect. Awesome. And lots of glitter. Glitter's fun. You don't have to do glitter, but it's fun. And you, Jennifer, did you know that we mix all of the ingredients before we add the activator? Because that way then everything sticks to the slime. If you add it after, then everything kind of falls off and makes a mess. Beautiful. Right, go ahead and stir that up. I love that color.
You look